Hello and welcome to Out Cooking Princess Diana 161 show. I'm Migma and today we'll be cooking French onion soup. To start off, you will need a big pot, also known as a Dutch oven, but hey, it's still a big pot. We'll go ahead and put this over here on the stove to get it out of the way. Then you'll need a stick of butter, preferably salted. We'll go ahead and stick this over here. A good cutting board. Onions, which I got about 4 pounds. Fresh thyme. A couple of cloves of garlic, crushed. And for a little boost in flavor, we're going to go with a half a bottle of red wine. I didn't have any red wine at home here, so I had to go out and buy a bottle. I'll just use a half a bottle of this. The kind I got was yellowtail, and it's a nice merlot. And the reason I got yellowtail is because at my age, anytime you can get a little tail, you need to go for it. So to start off, let's go ahead and open this wine and give it a chance to breathe. Oh, piece of shit out of myself. Oh, yes, that sounds good. We'll just set this out of the way until we need it. Yeah, I did pinch the shit out of myself. Also need a mandolin, some bay leaves, and I'm hurting this shit. So I'll go ahead and get the onions chopped up and sliced, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Well, I had to take a couple of minutes away. Apparently that pinch was a bigger pinch than I intended, expected to be. I drew blood, lots of blood. So I'm ready now, so I'm going to go back to peeling the onions and getting all the paper off of them, then we'll slice them. So stick around, and I bought a cheap mandolin slicer and it doesn't work worth a crap. So I'm going to have to take my knife and do my onions manually. So this may take a little longer. Sit back and watch. You know, I'm beginning to think, screw this shit and let Diana be the #1 cook. But this is hard work. It's just easier to go out and get something to eat. Now that's what I'll do. Next time, I'm going to start going out and having soup and salad lunches. And rate them for you. We'll go to local restaurants, chain restaurants, and regional restaurants. But right now, I promised you French onion soup, so I'll go ahead and get them made. I'll get these onions sliced up and in the pot, and I'll be right back. Well, I finally got the onions all chopped up, ready to go. Let's cut the stove on high. And let's get this, let that pan heat up a minute. I've got my thyme. Get out my bay leaves here. Those onions are hard. Next time I do a Out Cooking Diana show, I'm just going to open a freaking can of beans and say, hey, top this. Ready in 5 minutes. I've crushed my garlic. It's here. Got my thyme out. Let's go ahead and put this, you can come with me. Let's go ahead and put this butter in the pan. That's going to be a whole stick. So now we'll go ahead and let's dump our onions in there. Yes. Some thyme. Count these with me. 1, 2, 3 bay leaves. 1, 2, 3. And now the crushed garlic. So we'll let this cook down a little bit, and when it does, we'll be right back and do some more stuff to it. The onions, mix them up a little bit. It's still got a long cooking down time. I've removed some of the onions because I think I got a little bit too much in there. Now this is on low heat and it's cooking down. Pretty soon I'll be ready to add my half a bottle of red wine. So let's get it ready. Bottle of red wine, which is a full bottle. Hold on a second, I'll take care of this. That's some good tail. Doesn't that look good? It's about ready. Things to do. Got a couple more things to do to it. First, we gotta find the little twigs of thyme. It's all right if the leaves fall back in there. There's one little twig of thyme. Another little twig of thyme. I think there's one more. Well, if it is, it's hidden. And if you get the, let's lower that heat down. If you get the missing twig, you win $100. So, now this isn't a necessary ingredient, but it is something you may want to put in there. A little bit, about a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons of flour. The reason you do this is so it will thicken up the sauce. And as you know, Diana does not like runny soup. So we put a little bit of that in there. Mix it up again. And yes. That thickened up a bit. Now let that cook down a little bit to get rid of the flour taste, and then we'll add the final ingredient, the low sodium beef broth. Be right back with you. Well, while we were gone, I found the third thyme twig. So there'll be no $100 prize. It's time now to put in the beef broth. Okay, my hands are greasy. I can't get the thing off. There we go. Let's stop and take a look. We'll wait till this gets heated up again. I'm bringing it back up to temperature. And get out the bowl, the croutons, and cheese. Doesn't that look good? Now for a little taste. Yeah, tastes great. Ladle it out into a little soup bowl. Throw some croutons on it, garlic croutons, piece of Swiss cheese, and then we'll eat. Damn, I hope this crouton cheese makes it taste better. I've got my oven tempered bowl. Garlic and butter croutons. And a slice of Swiss cheese. You see there, a few croutons. Cheese. Now most people put this in the oven for a few moments. I'm just going to stick it in the microwave. Microwave just as good as far as I care, and it just makes it go a lot faster. So, in the microwave, and we'll be right back. 33 seconds in the oven, and there we go. Now, for the major taste test. Everything has been placed in order. Got my spoon here. A little mixing it up here. See all that steam running off? Grape juice makes anything taste good. Thanks for watching. And Diana, you have no competition with me. I give. Thanks for watching, and don't forget your grape juice. Look at that smoke come off there.